Ambiya Ghassi. As a teenager, this was my most favorite curry. And when my amma made this, I would always tend to overeat. So awesome is the tangy flavor and so easy to make too. You can make this gashi with pork plums, ambados too. So here is a very sour mango, peel and chop to medium pieces. Now heat a pan and splatter mustard seeds. Then add 1 teaspoon urad dal and a quarter teaspoon of methi seeds. When they brown, add the curry leaves. Remove a teaspoon of the tempering to add at the end. Now add the mango pieces and a little water for it to cook. Add salt to taste. Cover and let cook on medium flame. Take half cup of grated coconut. Add 3 to 4 red chilies. Also add a quarter teaspoon of haldi. Grind this to a smooth thick paste.
सर्वांके नमस्कार. आमगेल व्हिडिओ सगळं तुम्ही सकटाई चैताय दुकुनो नंक छान संतोष असा. आमगेल या विशेष संस्कार तुम्ही कोण विसरूपणा तुम्ही तुंगेल चड्डुआने ये मुकार्यन के घेन उचुका ते बेगेसल सन प्रयत्न तुम्ही घेने व्यू मात्र ने कोरका लाइक शेअर and subscribe कोरका.
When the mango pieces have cooked, add the coconut paste and also some water used to clean the mixer jar. Now cover and let cook on low flame. Until the curry has thickened slightly and the raw smell has gone. Now switch off. Add a teaspoon of tempering and cover, letting the flavors infuse. Now enjoy this mouth-watering curry with plain rice. As always, like, share and subscribe.